flashcards. So, the topic I've written in my flashcard is about pronouns. This topic is applicable to grade 7 levels. As I flash the cards and read the word written on it, please repeat after me. Pronouns. Subject pronouns. Object pronouns. Possessive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns. Intensive pronouns. Indefinite pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns. Relative pronouns. And lastly, archaic pronouns. Let me discuss to you what is a pronouns. Pronouns is a word that is used to substitute a noun and a noun phrase in a sentence. Why we need pronouns? Simply, for us to be aware and did not repeat the noun in every sentences. There are types of pronouns. First is the subject pronoun, or also called a personal pronouns. This is used to replace the subject in a sentence. These words are I, we, you, she, he, it, and they. The example given is she was a brave woman. Second is object pronoun. It is used as the object of a verb or a preposition. These words are me, us, you, her, him, and them. The example given is they gave us a free ticket to the concert. Third is the possessive pronouns. Designates ownership and can substitute for a noun phrases. These words are mine, our, yours, her, his, and theirs. The example given is this cell phone is mine. Fourth is reflexive pronouns. This indicates that the person who is realizing the action of the verb is also the recipient of the action. These words are myself, yourself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, and themselves. The example given is I bought myself a new pair of shoes. Fifth is intensive pronouns. These are used to emphasize another noun or pronoun. These words are myself, yourself, herself, and himself. Example given are the problem is in the machine itself. And sixth is the indefinite pronouns. These pronouns do not specify the identity of their references. These words are all, another, any, anybody, anyone, and anything. Example given are everybody is home. 7 is demonstrative pronouns. Specify a particular person or thing. The words are such, that, this, and those. Example given is such a wonderful house. 8 is interrogative pronouns. This is a group of questions which individual reference or referent are intended by the rest of the sentences. The words are what, whatever, which, whichever, who, whoever, whom, whomever, whose, whosever. Example given is who left. Next is relative pronouns. These pronouns relates to the word that is modified and is not specific. These words are who, whom, which, whose. Example given is she is an artist who is really talented. Lastly, the archaic pronouns. This is an old words addressing to one person. Example, the words are thou, thee, thy, thine, ye. The example given is thou shall not kill. Thank you.